G'day everyone, today I'm going to make cream colour, or some skin tone colours if you may. So we have burnt sienna, lemon yellow and white paint. So let's start off with some white paint. And we'll add a bit of yellow. On the side here, right? And then we'll also add a bit of burnt sienna. Okay, so if we want to make cream colour, it's basically just add a small amount of yellow paint to the white, mix it up. Okay. We'll put that here so you can see what it looks like. Okay. Now, there's all different skin colours, so we'll just add a bit of burnt sienna to this cream colour. Okay, we'll add this to the paper here. Okay, and then so we want to go a bit darker, a bit more yellow, and a bit more burnt sienna. Not too much, just a little bit. Okay, and just add this to the paper. So we've got some nice cream colour there and some nice darker colours here. And then we'll go a bit darker again for the last one. Okay, there you go. I hope you like my video presentation, and please subscribe if you want to learn more about mixing colours in the future. We'll see you all later. Bye for now.